Yet another car that we install QTP cutouts on. It's just that easy. This car is actually really quiet. Hit that button. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, we're going to dyno a 2005 Saleen Mustang with the Saleen Supercharger on it. I'm going to talk to you about the upgrade packages. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify. But let's watch a dyno pull on this car. I'm going to show you the numbers. We're going to come back, and I'm going to show you what comes in our Saleen upgrade packages. So I have Doug with me today. We're going to look at these dyno numbers, but this is our stage 2 package. So it's our stage 2 upgrade, and it makes 425 rear wheel horsepower SAE. I ran it up to 6,500 RPM, and then torque came in at 412. Just like all the TVS and twin screw superchargers we use of today, torque was instant. I hammered it about 2,500 RPM, instantly went up over 400, ran about 412 torque all the way across. Starts dropping off at about 5,500. So it's a really good supercharger back in the day, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over, look at it under the engine compartment, and I'll tell you all about the upgrade packages that we offer for the Saleen Mustang. So now I'm gonna kind of turn this video towards the guy or girl that already has a Saleen Supercharger, because these are not available anymore. They haven't been available for a long time. And you might have it on a normal GT, maybe it was an upgrade back in the day, or you may have a Saleen Mustang from 05 to 10 that has a Saleen Supercharger on it. They call it the stage 3 car. Well, anyways, I think, man, it's back 05-ish. We started using these superchargers. So we made all these upgrade packages. We have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 for stock engine cars. We have higher upgraded packages if you have a built engine car. But basically it consists of a JLT cold air intake, and then we start changing pulleys to get more boost. Something important for you to know if you have one of these. So the fuel injectors. Right down here, if you can see that, Doug, that's a fuel injector down there. Your fuel injectors may be black, all right? Those are not the ones you can use with our upgrade package. You need the blue fuel injectors. If you have an 07 or newer supercharged Saleen, you probably already have those. And if you don't, if you look, you have the black injectors. On our website, I'm gonna put links in the description of these packages. You'll see a drop down to get the blue fuel injectors. You need that to supply enough fuel to support the power we're gonna make. Back in the day, a lot of these cars, I only made like 360 rear wheel horsepower. So for the price of the stage 2 upgrade, it's really good. Jump up about 425. The stage 3 though is our most popular. Does require a fuel pump upgrade because it's running a little bit more boost than this one right here. But all in all, they're killer packages. You open up the air induction, and if you've had the Saleen for a long time and you're kind of wanting to do something to the car to basically spice it up a little bit, our upgrade package was super popular for that. So the stage 3 being the most popular, and then this car right here is running the stage 2. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the description. It's gonna have links to these parts, or maybe you want us to install it. It'll have a link on how you get a price on that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.